Hi, this is DIY Manual. Today we're going to install this Olafus 20 meter LED smart light strip. So we got this from Amazon for about $20. So this thing comes with two LED roll. So this is 10 meters and 10 meters on each side. Comes with the screw, also the wall mount. Also have a double-sided tape right here, 3M. Plus the remote. So this is an Alexa compatible device. It has the instruction for the remote and instruction on setting it up on your Alexa. This is the Wi-Fi dongle. So basically you plug in your adapter here, so it comes with it too. And this serves as your Wi-Fi dongle, and then plug this into the Wi-Fi. And then these two connectors here will be for each of your LED lights. So if you open this, you have this one here. So if you notice, there is an arrow. So you want to match that arrow. There you go. And just plug in the other one. Okay. So the instruction manual said to not turn it on while it's still in a roll because of overheating. But we're just gonna try that real quick just to make sure that the device works before we actually install it. We plug it in real quick just to make sure they both turn on. There you go. Change the color. Okay, so I'll turn it back off and we'll start installing it. Look at the back of the LED strip. It actually comes with, it already have a tape. If you have a smooth straight surface, you'll be able to just install it. Yeah, just stick it in and you should be fine. But we have the yellow peeled wall, and we tried it last time and it just kept coming off. So for this installation, so I tried this as well and it just wouldn't stay. So for this installation, we're going to be using this as a support. So I'm going to be pulling this in, opening this, and also using this as a support. Okay. So the plan is to install it around this room. What I'm going to do is I'll start on this end, going there, and basically we'll end over here. So we're going to end up with about a foot here, and I have an outlet behind this cabinet, and that's where I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, so the same thing with the other one. We'll start from that end going to that. So that's perfect for the size of the roll that we have. Okay, so first is we need to clean the surface, make sure tape will work, even though we know it doesn't work for us, but I want to have a clean surface as possible. So since this is rolled the other way, I'm gonna have to unroll this and start from the other end. So I'll install this first bracket right here. Take out the tape. Okay, so what I learned after installing the first half is that the tape here does work. The problem is that because of the weight of the full roll, you know, just a little bit, it will actually make it to get unstuck. So you need to use this first, and then after that you could probably use this every 4 or every 5 feet, and that should work. Okay, so when you install the power, make sure you are aligning the arrows. Okay, there's another arrow right here. Okay, so this is gonna go into the Wi-Fi dongle, and this one also have an arrow.
Here's something I found out.
There you go. See that arrow right there? This is the end of the LED lights, and I've installed the Wi-Fi dongle to the LED lights. I also use the wall bracket to hold it so that it doesn't move. So all I have to do now is to plug this into an extension cord so that it will reach the outlet below. So this is the LED light now. When you turn it on, you can actually use the remote or you can use Alexa. I'm using the remote right now to change the color. Changing color to blue, to red, to green. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to click the subscribe button, and I'll be putting more videos like this. I try to record the fixes, installation, and maintenance that I do around the house, hoping that I can also help you with your next project. Alexa, turn off room light. Alexa, turn on room light. Alexa, change room light to blue.